If at any point during the annual meeting you're interested in learning more about the ASENT organization, so the American Society for Experimental Neurotherapeutics, I would encourage you to click on the About tab, and this will give you a bit more information about the meeting, who attends, and what is ASENT. You'll see some photos from last year, and should you be compelled to learn even more and connect with the organization, I would encourage you to connect with me, Jessica Smith, the Executive Director, and you can do this by going to Participant Networking, Participants, searching Jessica Smith, Executive Director, and in your own profile, you can either chat or meet. And as an example of this, I will click on my colleague, Caroline, and I can open a chat with her. And that sends a message, or I can schedule a time to set up a meeting to discuss more about ASENT with Caroline. And there you have it.